Hi everyone, in this video I will guide you how to center text in Excel cell. Everyone knows about the standard center alignment button on the Home tab. There is a much more powerful secret way to center text in Excel. It is especially useful if you want text centered across a wide area without the formatting headaches that usually comes with it. So instead of using merge and center, which often breaks formula, messes up sorting, and makes selecting columns nightmare, the pro method is using center across selection. So here how you can do that. So first you need to select your range. So for highlight the cell containing your text like this one, and plus the empty cells to the left or right where you want that text centered like this one. And now go to the Home tab, click on this and click on this found. Now the format cells dialog box will be open up. So press Ctrl plus tab, or simply you can navigate to the alignment tab. And now you can click on this text alignment, click on the horizontal and make it center. Or either you can also press Alt H then C like this one. And now click OK to proceed. So here it is. Visually it looks exactly like a merged cells. Technically the cell remains completely separate. So you can still click on the individual columns, copy data cleanly, and your VLOOKUP or XLOOKUP formulas won't break. So if you just need a standard single cell center using only your keyboard, you can simply quickly tap Alt H A C in sequence on your Windows machine to trigger the standard ribbon alignment instantly. And when you press again Alt H A C, it will be left aligned. So this is the simplest way you can center text in Excel cell. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.